It's good. Like I always say, Nigerians deserve the kind of people that are leading us. Look at what a man that's representing Ohaneze Indigo. Ohaneze Indigo is the how do I put it? Is the leading social cultural group in the whole of Igbo land. Look at what the former spokesman is saying. How can you not even speak for your people? People are suffering. People are dying of hunger. Now you're not justifying a president buying an aircraft. Isn't that wickedness? Understand? Isn't that wickedness? That's wickedness. That's wickedness. Pidgin people say maybe juju be that. That's wickedness. You cannot justify these things. People are, my brother, see, in this administration, we've seen that okay, they even built house of former for vice president now. Kasim Shettima. 21, how many billions? They're sponsoring people to Hajj. These are just
is that our problem?
These are just wastages. Whereby the only thing that the citizens are enjoying, only one thing that you are enjoying is fuel subsidy. You have removed it. So more families are entering into poverty.
Even the hike in electricity tariff.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah. But then it is buying private. And then let them buy 20 now. That's what I'm saying. Let them buy 20. You understand? If they like, let them buy 20. You can look at the insensitivity of the government. Like I always tell people, you see, your reality as a Nigerian is not from the reality of an elite. The elite, they are well to do. That man that is speaking now, his children are likely to be living abroad. They don't know what you and I are facing. That's why I tell people, anytime elections come, for example, look at somebody that you think that have your own interest. Everybody have their own interest. But just have their interest. Look at what this man is saying now. That same man that might come out and people will vote for him. They are forgetting what they do. And I don't know Nigerians. The way they forget something, I don't understand. It's like they put something in our food. Nigerians, they can forget Jesus. Nigerians, if you kill somebody here today in this community, for example, God forbid, after you've killed the person and how do I put it, then people will come out and protest and should arrest and everything. You find a way to escape. You come out to that same community after 2 years and you give them bag of rice and everything. They'll start telling you. That's what poverty does. So people should now take a stand and think. These your leaders, these people that you see as influential people, they don't care about you. All they care for is power, to be according of power, and to put their children according of power. Look at the high level of hunger. Look at high level of inflation. That 5,000 can't buy you nothing. For a man to eat in a day, 3,000 now is not enough. Yes, 3,000 is not enough. It's not enough. So that is the problem. And then what do you see your leaders doing? They are buying private jet. It's good if they private plane, aircraft. If they like, let them buy 20 more. But like I said, like I've been saying every time, every nation deserves the kind of leaders that they get. We deserve. Look at the governors too. Some are doing Thanksgiving almost every day. For what? What are you thanking God for? In a country where there's massive poverty. Now a boy passed here now. Ordinarily the boy should be at home, but the boy is hawking. Understand? Now, like I've been saying, which father or mother be happy to see his child hawking something? But what can they do? That's the problem. That is the problem. These people are just they are just overrated. They are not. You see, until Nigeria begin to take people for who they are, these guys are just overrated. I don't take them serious. They're just all this spokesman person, or what do you call them? They are not to be taken seriously at all. They are justifying president buying 2 airplanes in the midst of poverty, hunger, in the midst of this high level of insecurity. That Nigerians they are now I don't understand. Nigerians ordinarily are now importing food. You don't understand what I'm saying? And you see, okay, for example, the salaries of civil servants have not yet increased. So people are still collecting 30,000 naira in this country. 30,000 naira means 1,000 per day minus transport fare. How are they coping? They say it's good. So there's no grace of God anywhere. BBS. Either you beg, you borrow, you steal. There's no that way out. Either you beg, you borrow, or you steal. And a woman, position. But in Nigeria like to deceive ourselves. Oh, it's the grace of God. Grace is called. Matani. There is the grace of God. It's the mercy of God. Mercy called Adoni. There's no mercy anywhere. Either you beg, you borrow, or you steal. That's how people are surviving. Almost full grown men has now become beggars on the street. You are working by 200, by 500 in a country. See, Nigeria is a tragedy. It's a tragedy. Nigeria is like the children of a man that has cows, that is selling cows, that butchers cows, has even giving people cows, but his own children are now eating bones. You might like to say, ọmọ eléegun tó ń jẹun, ọmọ ẹlẹ́ran tó ń jẹgun. You have everything. God has blessed you with everything. When they say pray for Nigeria, pray for what? Okay, what do you want us to pray for in Nigeria? Pray for Nigeria. Pray about what exactly?
And God has provided us so many.
God has given you everything that you needed as a nation.
It's just
so the question is, what are you now praying for? Ask yourself questions. Don't let anybody use your head. You ask yourself. Pray for Nigeria. Question is, Baba, what should I pray exactly for Nigeria about? Tell me the prayer point now. God should help us to bring. Have God ever helped anybody to bring good leaders? It is you that will elect good leaders, and then the people that are supposed to supervise the Independent Electoral Commission, they should not announce the rightful winner like they did in Abia State. Then go for Dr. Nenaoti. The woman said, "I'm being pressurized. I'm being pressurized. I'm under a lot of pressure, but I will announce the rightful." She kept on saying, "I should announce Governor Alex Otti, and the man is performing because he's the rightful winner." That tells you that majority of the people that are in power, they might not be the rightful winner. So when you win, if people vote for you, you know how people vote for me, you're likely to perform. But when you win that, you know that there's a way that you go to power. You are not accountable to the people. You do anyhow. Everybody want to die, make it die. That will be the attitude. You want to die, go and die. Because you didn't vote me in. I found a way to force myself on the people. That's the problem. What I will tell you. See, my brother, the greatest deceit is self-deceit. If they are deceiving, you don't deceive yourself. Pray for Nigeria. Pray now. The people have been praying. Then what is the result of the prayer? Like I said, righteousness exhausts a nation, not prayers. There's no anywhere in the Bible that says prayers exhaust a nation. I told a pastor that was talking, I challenged him. I tell the pastor, I thank God I was not born a Christian, I was a Muslim. Then I gave my life to Christ. Now listen, I don't worship pastors, I worship Jesus, the Son of God. Now show me anywhere in the New Testament where Jesus Christ prayed for the poor. I will give you every money that my car. I told the pastor, show me anywhere in the Bible where Jesus Christ prayed for the poor. Anywhere in the Bible, just show me anywhere in the Bible where Jesus prayed for the poor. I will show. There's no way in the Bible where Jesus prayed for the poor. Instead, he gave them instructions. The prayer does not cancel poverty. It does not. So this poverty in Nigeria is intentional. Make them poor. So I'm going to use them. I'm going to ride on them. I'm going to step on them. What are you talking about? Tomorrow you see, every churches will be filled. The money that some people have, even those to eat, they say they want to do something.
They want to pay for. They want to pay for prosperity.
There's nowhere in the Bible where the message of Jesus is the message of salvation. There's nowhere in the Bible where Jesus can pray for the poor. He gave them instructions instead of praying for the poor. He gave them instructions. I've made an example of Peter in the Bible. Peter was trying to catch some fishes, and Jesus told him, "Cast your net to the other side." He could have just told him, "Leave your net there. He has the power. I'll command fish to enter inside." It would have been doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. But he told him, "Cast your net to the other side." Or the best one would have been, Peter, stop fishing. Bring your net down here where I'm standing. I'll command fish to enter. That would have been prayer will make things happen. But no. Cast your net to the other side. That is instruction. Stop doing same thing that you have been doing over and over again and expecting different results. Do another thing entirely. That's why I spoke about to God be the glory. Because it's not possible. Taking the glory, God said, to God be all the glory. Only God has all the glory. When it comes about God loving you, he said, for God so loved the world. Only God can love the world. He gives only God for God. When it comes about possibilities, making things happen, that is me and you. God said, with God. Pẹ̀lú Ọlọ́run. You and God. You can't sit in your home. Okay, for example, you have a shop. You cannot sit in your house and be expecting customers. How? Or you are working online and you off your data. How? With God, you must work with God. When the Bible says watch and pray, the Bible does not say pray and watch. People just say watch and pray. It does not say pray and watch. First watch. Show how put the gbadua. Watch and pray. You watch first, then you pray. Not first pray and watch. That's what Bible says. I don't read the Bible. Watch and pray. But in Nigeria, you want to leave everything to God. If I know that God will help you. I mean, okay, what has now God will give us a good leader. Tell me, no, God will not give you any good leader. It is you that will stop voting because of sycophancy. In my life, stop voting because of, vote at least for your conscience for the right person. It doesn't matter. I don't know, but just vote for the right candidate. If not, these people that are ruling you, their children will come from abroad and continue to rule over you. And you start hearing like that man said, the presidents, they are not with Peter. How would they be with Peter Obi? Peter Obi does not give shishi. Peter Obi will not give you shishi now. Peter Obi will not give you shishi. So they cannot be with him because he's stingy. I told you during the election time. Peter Obi is too stingy. I don't want person like that. I want somebody like if they enter money go dey flow. Yeah. And I told you, I said money cannot flow when you keep on importing. From consumption to production will make money flow. That is exporting something too. You are giving something back. You cannot be hitting like gullible. You must give back. He said no. Okay, now is the money flowing now? You know what I'm saying? So these are the problems. So they will never be without Obi because he said consumption to production and he does not give shishi. But depends on the thing you want to give money to dole out money for free. And that's why we are. So the citizens that are listening to me and average Nigerians should now, for example, now know that these people are for themselves. They are fighting for their own interest. The question is now, me and you and the average citizens, what is our own interest in the scheme of things? What's our own interest in Nigeria? What's our own interest going forward? That should be the question that should be on the lips of everybody in Nigeria now. What is my own or your own interest in Nigeria?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Emma Powerful, as the spokesman of IPOB, he came out and said, there's an alleged plot, to bomb, Biafra land. But say the Biafran Defense Army, they are capable, and the IPOB, they are capable of, defending themselves and protecting themselves.
I am Mr. Kwadeni Okokodim. This is Republic of Biafra. Live by Mazin Namdekala is IPOB government of Biafra. Father Yahweh, I thank thee, I bless thee for the life you granted for us, for the life you granted to Namdekala, for the life you have given to Simon Ekpa and security in Finland. I thank thee for the Finland people that have protected Simon Ekpa. Oh Lord, I thank thee for all our fans all over the world. Father Yahweh, be praised like the Father in Jesus' name. In my powerful alleging that there is a plot to bomb some part of Biafra, mostly Anambra. He may say the truth because he's closer to the government. Now, if he said there's a plot to do such type of thing, where is his preparation to defend the people they are going to bomb, the Biafra land, any part of Biafra land? What is his preparation? Is he saying it out for people to run away? Or is he saying out that he's saying out to stop it? Or is he saying out for us to believe that it's not the part of the plot? That he himself is not part of the plot? He may say the truth too. Now, why did he say it out? For people to come and defend it. Who will defend it? Is it the ESN they have destroyed will defend it? You see? You are condemning Simon Ekpa. You destroy the structure Onion do keep. When you are the one that are keeping maintaining the structure, you are not able to do anything. Indirectly now, IPOB is capable to defend. Which IPOB? Is it IPOB DOS or IPOB autopilot? Is indirectly now informing Simon Ekpa. They command the Biafra defense to stand up to defend Anambra or defend wherever they are planning to bomb, as he said. If you see, you don't want a man, but indirectly, you are looking for his help. You are condemning Simon Ekpa, but indirectly now, you are putting it in the air so that Simon Ekpa will hear it, and command the Biafran Defense Force to be alert to defend the Biafran territory. That's what I'm saying. You see how people don't want good? How people condemn good, but they need good?
Maybe he's saying it just to you know, to at least, because maybe you know if it really happens, there will be a loss of life and property. So that's why it's, you know, it's coming out to shout now. Maybe I don't know where he got his
Life
information
and
from.
property that Biafra we lost. Who made to reach this age? Is it not the OS leaking the secret of Biafra? One Nnamdi Kanu to die. Kidnapping that, I don't know the one that planned it. Now he is trying to say this thing for people to see him as he's a good man. He's really one Biafra restoration. He's really in the struggle. Instead of him to denounce like Uruaku denounce. He want to do this. Tomorrow they say, he's a very good informant. He can, so that if Biafra get Biafra restored, he will call and give Minister of Information. That is the one that is hearing from Nigeria and informing Biafrans. May God have mercy upon him in Jesus' name. Hypocrites. Hypocrites to the core. But it doesn't matter. How I wish that this is a word will reach someone here. So that someone will take oyokometer. You take oyokometer to nurture even more, to search into the spirit, know what is happening, whether it's real, so that he will let our men on the ground get prepared and wait for any venture. Because what I have seen in Nigerian game, they are playing with Biafra. When they attack Biafra in Imo, Biafra defend to the last score. They are not able to do anything. They will go to Enugu. When they attack Enugu, Biafra defend to the last score. They are not able to do anything. They will go to Abia. When they go to Abia, they will pushed away. They will go just running up and down. They don't have the front line they are fighting. Any place they put head, they will see rock that stand there, they cannot penetrate. They go look up on that place. It may be true, oh. It may be true. They are planning to bomb Anambra, and when they bomb finish, they will say, it's IPOB. It's unknown gunmen. They are the ones that did it. But remember, IPOB haven't put fighter jet in the up.